Want to clear out your YouTube likes and start fresh? Here's exactly how to delete all your liked videos on the YouTube app in just a few clicks. First, open up the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the gear icon. And now tap on your data in YouTube. Scroll down until you find YouTube watch history. Tap on manage your YouTube watch history. And now tap on the interactions tab. And now tap on video likes and dislikes. Here you will see a list of every video you've ever liked. If you want to remove them individually, just tap the X next to each video. If you want to delete them in bulk, tap the X at the very top right of the screen to quickly clear your likes for a specific period. It's that simple. You can easily manage your data all from this single window. If this quick tip helped you out, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Catch you in the next one.